Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the sound and speaker problem in your device Xiaomi 12S Ultra. So if in this device, if you are having any problem with the sound of the device or the speaker of the device, you can easily fix it by following the few steps as I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the sound and speaker problem in your device Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Let's watch it.